Hey everybody, what is up? It's Chris. Today's video is going to be a little bit different, but I want to share it with you guys anyway. So the other night something weird happened and I have a little video. I talked about it a little bit in a previous live stream that I did. But since then I found a few other clues and I kind of want to share it with you guys. So I just want to explain a little bit about what happened before I roll the video so you guys know what we're looking for here. So the other night I fell asleep on the couch at around 2:30 in the morning, somewhere around there. And then something happened later on in the neighborhood where some cars got stolen and the police were out there. And that alerted me to go check my security cameras in my house. And there's a camera right in my living room facing me where I was sleeping on the couch. So I'm just going to go ahead and roll this video real quick so you guys can see. Pay no attention to the fact that I look dead here, just sleeping. All right, here we go. It's only a 12-second video, so let's roll that. Okay, and that's the end of the video. We'll play it again in a second. But so this happened on 2:45 in the morning on July 1st. There I am asleep on the couch. Now, I just want to let you guys know here. There's a window over here, but the curtains are closed. And then over on this side past me, there's another set of windows with the curtains closed. If you look directly on the other side of this wall going this way, down here, you can't see it, but there's a television. Okay. Where I'm laying right now, I have no kind of electronics. The video remote is just a simple remote. There's no lights on it whatsoever. It's just a simple remote for the TV. And right down here, that's my cell phone. That's the only piece of electronic there. And then there's pillow. This couch right here, it's just a fabric. It's a dark fabric. It's like a brown. And there's nothing else in here. There's no open windows. There's no mirrors. And if I play it again, you'll see that right on the line of my shoulder starts a light. And then there's a very concentrated flash of light that goes off right here on the couch. Let me play that again real quick for you. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Very, very bizarre. I don't know what this is, and a lot of people have speculated what it could be, but I've been able to debunk every one of those, so I still don't know what it is. Okay. Now, a few things that I noticed after the fact, and also my brother-in-law was checking this out. He noticed as well. So actually he pointed out that right before this happens, you see something in the reflection of the picture up here. Now, I don't believe it's the TV, but it goes a little bit dark right there. And then you see the flash going. Now, this isn't somebody shining a flashlight in my windows, as it's a very still, concentrated flash right there on the fabric of the couch. And it's not coming from my phone because my phone is not, I don't have a flash on my phone. I know some people have phones where when they get a text message, a flash goes off. I don't have that. And also my phone is facing down. It's the iPhone 10X. And I'll play it again and we'll try to go slow with it. You see like a little line of light right there by my shoulder, right here by my shoulder. And then it flashes right around here over and over again. It's nowhere near my phone. This is just a pillow here, and this is a bag of pretzel rods. There's nothing else here. I'm not laying on any kind of electronics. There's nothing in the couch cushions. I checked everything there. And the only reason I, again, checked this video surveillance video in my house, I have a few different cameras, was because there was some car thefts in my neighborhood, and there was some police walking around, and I was seeing if I saw any movement. Now, these cameras don't record 24/7. They'll only record like a 12 to 15 second clip, if there's some kind of movement. So I'm not sure what the movement was in here that recorded. I know Zeke, my dog Zeke over here, and here's Indy and here's Zeke. Zeke actually slowly walks away and he hides under the table. If there was anybody outside, Indy, with any noise of even a squirrel walking on the grass, he will get up and start barking. He hears things outside. If there's any people outside, he will start barking. He did not bark. He didn't wake me up at all. Zeke quietly walks under and hides under the table. I'll watch it again, and there's going to be a little color shift here. Kind of looks like somebody standing in front of it. Now, also, there is nobody in my house except for me. I'm the only one here. All of my doors are locked. It's just me and the dogs. We're the only living beings in this house. So let's go one more time and play it. Watch the color up here. Ready? Here we go. Zeke's going away. There's the color. It's almost like somebody standing in front of it. There's the flashes. And then Zeke over here. He's coming back and he's looking back over. And that's all that's captured here. I don't know what this is. But there's no electronics. There's nothing behind me. I didn't hear anything. I didn't feel anything. I kept sleeping until probably another hour. Maybe half an hour. And again, I never would have noticed this if I didn't check the footage because of what was going on. Now, this wouldn't be a flashlight. A flashlight would probably illuminate the entire wall. An actual flash would illuminate the whole room. This was, again, it was like a beam concentrated right here. I don't think it would have been like somebody mentioned it might have been a malfunction in the actual camera filming this, but I don't think that you would see a light behind my arm like that and then a concentrated blinking light right there on the couch. Let's try it again. Let's try it a little bit slower if we can. So Zeke's walking away. Okay, right about there, it goes dark right there. And then right when that happens, watch. Okay, there's a light. It's starting behind my shoulder. You see that? There's nothing. Oh, and the other thing my brother-in-law spotted above my shoulder, it looks like a face. And when you blow it up, you can't see it yet, but when you blow it up, it kind of looks like a little baby Chewbacca. But I'll get to that again in a second here. So it starts right there behind my shoulder. There it is. And it's illuminating right here and over here. It's almost going through me. Because I am laying on a pillow. I'm snug to the pillow, to the couch. There's no gap under my neck where it could go over there. So, I'm not really sure how this is happening. And then, boom. Big flash. Notice my phone is over here. My phone is not making this. Here it is, flash over here. Very bright. You're not seeing any blinking from these lights, so it's not these. These are just kind of like almost like Christmas lights. And then a bunch of flashes. Now this isn't relevant or anything, but I was watching Ancient Aliens when I fell asleep here. And then when it goes out, that's the last one I believe, you can still see a little bit of a light by my shoulder, and then one more time, and that's it. So it kind of starts there, nothing, and then boom, there's a light right by my shoulder. I have no clue what this is. I've been living in this house here for about 10 years. But you can tell, like, over there, Zeke usually sticks right by me. So it's kind of weird that he went over there under the table like he is over here. And Indy's just kind of watching him. Zeke usually sits right here by me, or he'll sneak up on the couch and lay on the couch by me. So again, I have no idea what's going on here. If anybody has any ideas, let me know in the comments below. I just thought that'd be interesting to share that with you guys. Obviously, if I figure this out and I figure out a scientific explanation for this, I'll do an update on it. Until then, I just want to have it out there, and maybe somebody will see this and and have an answer for it, or maybe not. So, share this. Let's try to figure it out, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss my notifications. And of course, stay safe, watch out for zombie and possibly aliens, and I'll see you guys in the next video.